Welcome back to the shop. It's August 6th, 2018.
Hi everybody.
Alrighty, let's start where we always do with who was here this weekend. Michael come by and stayed with us all weekend.
All weekend, yes he
Friday
did.
night for Jay's big birthday bash at Genghis Grill down in Augusta. That was a good time.
Genghis.
I was going with Genghis's and Genghis Khan. But anyhow, we went down there and ate. It was really good. Daniel, Kimmy, and the Butterbean come by and spent some time with us, and we had a good time with them. Butterbean's charmer like she always is. Had a ball with her. Kim's mom, Sue, come over with her friend Greg. They kind of hung out with us yesterday. And then man-sized Mikey. Mike came over and helped us all day Saturday on the mill. We had a really good time, got some work done, but we'll talk more about that in just a second. All righty. All right, let's talk a little bit about what we did this weekend and what we got done. So this week in the shop, Mom did some resin pours over here, come out looking really, really nice. I think they're going to do really, really well. Now, this is my favorite one. We're actually going to make up a term here because I heard it used for redwood. We're going to call this blonde eastern cedar. How is that? How's that?
I like that.
Blonde eastern cedar. All right.
Like that.
That's pretty good. Come up with a little marketing name there. How's that? All righty. And then just eastern cedar. That looks pretty good. Now, anything particular about that one you want to tell them about it?
Just gorgeous.
Yeah,
absolutely gorgeous. It's
nice.
Redder than the other one. Like I said, blonde and red. That's pretty cool.
I like that. I like that a lot. I worked on Risa's chair a little bit. Now, if you remember a while back, I told you about this chair we're fixing for Risa. It got broke at her house, and we're going to get it all fixed up. Matter of fact, we're going to work on that this evening. Got a little bit left to do. We started on our $10 auction find cart that we talked a little bit about that we picked up at the auction now. A week ago, this past Saturday we picked it up. We're going to fix it up, take it up to the market 400, and it's sitting down here in front of us. Got a little bit left to do. We got to do something with the wheels and then paint it, and it'll be ready to go. But we're starting to refurbish on that. We started on our mill project. Now that was exciting. Yeah, we're getting all those logs cut up. Now we started off, didn't get a lot done. Run into little problems early. Tractor didn't want to start. Battery was dead, and we had a little bit of problem getting started. So we didn't get started till about 9:15 actually milling, which was about an hour really after I wanted to get started. But anyhow, we got about 5 or 6 cants cut from pine logs, taken down and set up, and then we got about another 6 pine cants that had already been cut. We're moving out of this area over here under all the trees where it's always too wet and too moist. Move them down here to the bottom of the garden. They look better.
It looks much better.
Looking better. Yeah. They're not as dark, and I did spray them with some Clorox, and they are looking pretty good. But we're going to save those just for us to do projects with. I don't think I'll sell any of that because the possibility that was damaged. I want to be able to look at the wood and keep an eye on it before we do anything else with it. And then let's see what else. I got that 4-degree saw blade from Woodmiser.
Yes.
I called and talked to Mr. Nathan at Woodmiser of Georgia. Told him some of the problems I've been having with oak, cutting oak, particularly where we hit a knot in the oak and the blade will dive a little bit or it'll rise up. And you always have that little area that's unlevel. And first thing he said is, well, what kind of blade you using? I told him what we're using. He pulled up my customer number and said, well, you're using a 9-degree blade with a 9-degree set. Probably need to be using a 4. I said, well, I'll have to get one from you. And he sent me one out, complimentary.
Yep, complimentary. He said, use it and see how it works.
Yeah, customer service at its finest, Woodmiser. So we appreciate that. But we haven't got a chance to use that. I was going to use it this last weekend. We got tied up doing some other stuff. And we're going to try to get on that and see how that works. If it works for me, I think I'm going to buy a box of 15 right off the bat.
As long as it doesn't have the chatter on my cedar anymore because it takes so long to sand.
He was telling me that problem is a problem with the speed. It has nothing to do with the blade. So I can get that out just by milling a little bit faster. But we appreciate that from Nathan up at Woodmiser. All right, let's move on. Now, we only got one project completed. Let's talk about projects completed. Now, if y'all remember, we used to have that big old toolbox that rode around on the log rescue trailer, and it just got so big and cumbersome because I kept putting more stuff in it. I had more space, so I put more stuff in there. Daniel bought a smaller toolbox that goes on the back of a pickup truck, so we swapped toolboxes. He took the big truck toolbox that came off the rescue trailer, and I took the smaller one. We put that on Daniel's trailer. Pretty good fit. Little maybe small, but it'll stay up on there. I think Daniel's happy with it, and I'm glad he's got it. So we've got that taken care of. All righty, let's move on. Now, let's talk about shows and markets and shows. As you all know, we're big fans of the Union Point, what do they call it, Junction Jamboree.
Yep.
That was our breakout show. That was the first art and craft show we went to and did really, really well.
Really well that weekend. Yes, we did.
We had a great weekend, had a good time. Temperature was perfect. Everything was great. People were wonderful. But they're canceling that. They're not going to do that anymore. That's a thing of the past, they say. I think it was about 12 to 15 years, somewhere in that time frame. They've been doing that particular art show, and it's no longer. They're not going to do it anymore. But it is being replaced with a craft beer festival. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to attend that one simply because they're only going to allow 2 vendors per booth in there. Anybody else has to pay to come in and work, and we said, that's really not right and won't work well with us because there's so many of us who are involved in Two Dogs. Just wouldn't work, so we passed on that. We're going to be doing another show during that weekend. So unfortunately, I don't think we'll be going back to Union Point, at least not in the foreseeable future. Going to miss that one. That was a really good show.
Yeah, that was a fun one,
too.
That
was a great show. It was a great show. Hate that one's ending. But on with shows and markets, of course, this weekend coming up, we've got, we'll talk about that in a second, but the weekend after that, markets and shows, we've got the 17th, 18th, and 19th. We're going to be back up in Atlanta at the Lakewood 400 Antiques Market. I'm looking forward to that one. We're going to take some neat stuff up there. We're going to redo some of your tabletops, right?
Yep.
We're going to get some new tabletops in there. We're going to do some wall art. We're going to take some slabs up there this time and see how they do. So we've got some new stuff we're going to take up there. Looking forward to it. We had a very successful time last time. It was
yes,
really
we did. It was very nice.
Looking forward to this one. Looking forward to this next visit up to Lakewood 400 up in Cumming, Georgia. Georgia. All right. That tea is good this evening. It's hot as it is. Yeah,
hot.
The air conditioning. I'll have to kind of tolerate the air conditioning. It's
humid. Yeah, it's not so much hot. It's humid.
Early August in Georgia, those air conditioners aren't going anywhere. Me and Freebird are sitting over here kind of chilling out in front of the air conditioner. Mama's kind of got it rough on the other side of the room. Alrighty, upcoming for Two Dogs. We're going to finish these resin pours that Mama started on. Get the tabletops and the wall art done. We're going to finish a bookcase that's sitting over behind Mama, behind the camera right now, that we're going to take up to Lakewood. We've got somebody who wants that already, so we're going to take that up there and probably have that one hopefully gone here in the next 2 weeks. Mama's going to finish a golf ball carving she's got to do of an airplane. It's for Air Force guys stationed in England, right? I think she said. Yeah, anyhow,
so I got to carve an airplane.
And they're going to pick that up. And then we're going to finish Risa's chair. We're going to probably try to get that mostly done this
tonight.
evening. So we're going to try to get that done because it's got to be done not this weekend, but the next weekend.
No, actually it needs to be done this weekend, I think.
Okay. So
because she's having a party, and either way, we won't be here next weekend
we'll have to get it to her. Anyhow, and then the big news is it's Mama's 29th birthday, not this weekend, but the weekend after. She's finally turning 29, so we're really
excited.
I
look so good, don't I?
So youthful and everything. So that's coming up. And then the other big news is a trip to Florida. That's right.
Oh,
we're taking 2 horses to Florida, down to see their mama. They're going to move down to Florida. We'll be losing Vegas and Georgia. They'll be going back home to their new home. But we look forward to that trip.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a fun trip for you and I.
That's going to be a fun trip. We're looking forward to that. We'll try to take some pictures and maybe some video of that. So
that works.
Kind of take a ride along with us for that. All right. That tea really is good tonight when it's nice and warm outside. Well, that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything, Ren?
Nothing I can think of.
Okay. Well, as always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. It's August the 6th, 2018. We did everything else perfect. Everything else was perfect. We had it.
Okay,
we did it.
Okay, I'm coming.
Right.
My fault, my bad.
Okay, where do you have to count down for a sound check? Sound check, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check.
Sound check.
I knew that was not going to go well.